Hello. I think there is time to say good morning. Good morning, Istanbul. Hello, my name is Saleem Summour from Lavender. We are in 2018, and building an Arabic website is still very expensive and hard. For example, one of my customers, Mubarak Al-Gharsan, spends many weeks for finding good developer and good team. Then the developer spends many weeks for customizing and localizing the theme. How big is Mubarak problem? Our surveys show that 85% of SMEs suffer from the lack and bad quality of the Arabic theme. There is less than 100 Arabic themes. This is compared to more than 15,000 English themes. To build an Arabic website, you can build it from scratch. This means you will pay more than $2,000, and it will take more than 8 weeks. And even if you are using a pre-made themes, it will take from 1 to 8 weeks just for customizing and localizing the theme and dealing with RTL issues. So we found Lavender. Lavender is an Arabic marketplace for WordPress themes and website builder, where the user can create a full Arabic dynamic website instantly. Simply, we reduce the time of website creation from approximately 8 weeks to less than 10 minutes. And how we do it? The user choose the theme, choose the package, register the domain, and our system install the theme, install the content, register the domain, set up the hosting account with one place, with one click, with our automated service. We are targeting the SMEs in the MENA region. There is more than 23 million SMEs in the MENA region. This means our market size is more than $3 billion. If we capture only 0.45 of this market, this means more than $15 million revenue. We launched 2 months ago, and we achieved December goals by this October. So we are very sure that we can get our first 1 million by 2020. We feel confident that we can capture this market because we are the only startup that provides one-click installation and Arabic support. Our business model contains 2 parts. The first part is a commission on each theme order, and the other part is the package and subscription, where the user can get a full website. Thank you.
Good job. Excellent.